Hey, what's up guys? On this one we're going to try to stake some BUSD, which is almost the same as staking some BNB on Binance. So on this video we're going to learn how you can actually be able to stake some coins so that you can actually be able to make some passive income on to Binance. So let's try and make this quick as possible. What you can do, as you can see there, I have some BUSD, which is about 86.166, which you can come on to earn here, or you can just come on top here on these dots here, and then you just go straight down. There is some launch pad here, which you can just click onto here, because I want to stake some this BUSD so that I can earn some ATA, right? So I'm going to farm this ATA, guys, here, which is going to be launched very soon. So I don't want not be able to make that profit, guys, when this gets launched. So this is a new coin which is about to be okay, man, I'm getting distracted, guys, with all this because it's all new to me, right? And I am actually, as you can see, there's an FC Barcelona fan token, which is really cool. I mean, who doesn't like Barca, man? Maybe it's just me because I'm a fan, all right. And you can actually come and learn about this stuff here, guys. So what I want to do now, I want to stake this so that I can get this ATA, guys. So there's a lot of supply here, a lot. Amen. Okay, so I'm not gonna bother reading the numbers for you. As you can see there, total supply farming period about 30 days, time until launch ends. Look at this here, there's about 25 days left, 8 hours and 23 minutes. So we still have about a month to do all this, right? So I am about to go in and start farming, right? So I am going to stake. You can stake Polkadot and DOT pool and BNB pool and the BUSDT pool. So I have this one, so I am going to stake this one. And the cool thing about this, you can just stake it and then you can take out your anytime. It's not logged or anything like that, right? So you can just do that. And so we are going to farm this, and then we can actually see how much we can make out of it. So okay, so let's say stake now. So time until listing, we have about 14 minutes. Wow, it's 14 hours to go and we can get this listed. So I think it's about tomorrow for me also. You will count the numbers and see how much that is. Okay, so let's see how I can actually stake this. So I'm just going to come here and then just say stake. Save max. So I have staked my BUSD. So we will see how much I am going to let's see how much I can make in these 14 hours of ATA. So I would be happy if I could just make even just 2, maybe 10, 20. I don't know, because I only have about 14 hours to go until this coin gets listed, guys. And there's no way you can buy this until it's listed. So I have to set an alarm for myself so that I can actually get up before this is listed, right? So that I can make some dough. Hopefully you will make some dough, and probably this video will not get up before you guys can see this. And lucky I just heard about this few days. It would have been great if I, but I just want to make some dough on this one, and I'm just going to claim them here and then just go and sell it when this gets launched. So I think that's it, guys, for this one. It's exactly the same, and when you just farm on Binance, you just do the same thing. You can just farm anything, and then you just have to be on the lookout for some new coins that are about to be launched onto Binance, and then you get to be able to own those for free. I'm just going to earn some ATM now for free without even buying them or anything. So before they get listed here, because a lot of people, they're gonna come and buy it when it gets listed, and then they want to hold it. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna get the free one and then sell it, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and this is going to be it for this video. So make sure you subscribe, guys, and so that you don't miss out on any action that is happening here as we learn together, and we actually going to make some dough as this goes along. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.